It's okay to be a Mozzie. Mozzie being a Māori that's in Australia. Now, Mozzie is a bit of a blanket term for Māori here in Australia, but if you take away the Māori part of the identity and you look at all of the other facets of people's lives that make up their identity, their age, their demographic, their experience, their socio-economic position, all of those sorts of things, you get a really, really unique blend of individuals. You know, the Māori that lives here as a third generation because their grandparents moved here in the 70s has an entirely different worldview outlook from a Māori lens as someone that's maybe moved here in the last 6 months. So you can call them both Mozzies, but they are worlds apart. And it's because of this disparity, the diversity amongst these individuals, that to call everyone a Mozzie makes sense from a binary position, but everyone's experiences are so unique. So when the social discourse starts turning towards Mozzies are this, Mozzies are that, Mozzies should do this, Mozzies should do that, there is, for the most part, not a one size that fits all, because we are all so unique as Mozzie here in Australia.